Very good morning, students. Last lecture, in the last lecture, we studied in the part of beta and gamma function, and we defined the beta function and proved a property of a beta function. These properties belongs to symmetrical property. Now we proved two properties of beta function. Now we start here. First property is to prove that beta mn equal to 0 से pi by 2 sin 2m minus 1 theta cos 2m minus 1 theta d theta. Here this property belongs to trigonometrical format. Okay. Last property proved in the format of this. That means beta mn equal to this. So this symmetrical property belongs to beta mn equal to beta nm, and we proved the symmetrical property on the basis of definite integral properties of definite integral. Now we have beta mn equal to integration 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 1 minus x n minus 1 into dx. This property is trigonometrical format. Now we can use the substitution of trigonometrical term on putting x equal to sin square theta. How? X equal to sin square theta. Here the inequality of trigonometrical term is 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta and 1 plus cos square theta equal to sin square theta, and both property belongs to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now we use this property. Or this property. So then we take the substitution x equal to sin square theta, because of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, or x equal to cos square theta. Suppose we take x equal to cos square theta, then 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Therefore we take either sin square theta or cos square theta. Therefore x equal to sin square theta, x replaced in the other variable theta. So dx upon d theta equal to differentiation with respect to theta. So dx upon d theta equal to, first we differentiate on power, so 2 sin theta, and after that the function sin theta, this is the cos theta. On cross multiplication, dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. This replacement beta mn equal to, this limit will be changed as per the substitution. So x equal to, first we replace 0, so 0 equal to sin square theta. 0 equal to sin square theta. The value of 0 in sin trigonometrical term sin, so sin 0, sin to sin cancel, this will be 0. So this is 0, and after that 1, so 1 equal to sin square theta, 1 equal to sin square theta. On taking square root, so 1 equal to sin theta, this sin pi by 2 equal to sin theta, sin cancel, this theta equal to pi by 2. Now we replace here x equal to sin square theta. This power is multiplied by 2n minus 2. This theta 1 minus x is replaced by sin square theta n minus 1. Dx is replaced by this term. Dx is replaced by this term. So 2 sin theta into cos theta d theta. Therefore 2 integration 0 से pi by 2 sin 2m minus 1 2, and sin this power is 1. Therefore base are same. Therefore power 2m minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 1 theta. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Square is multiplied by n minus 1, so 2n minus 2 into cos theta d theta. 2 is this, and 2 0 to pi by 2 sin 2m minus 1 theta cos, this power is 1, then both base are same, so 2n minus 1 plus 1, this is 2n minus 1 theta into d theta. This is the first property of beta function in the format of trigonometrical term. In the format of trigonometrical term. So this beta mn equal to 2 integration 0 से pi by 2 sin 2m minus theta 2m minus 1 theta into cos 2n minus 1 theta into d theta. This is the proof of first property. Now we prove the second property of beta function. Property second is to prove that beta mn is equal to integration 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 this upon 1 plus x n plus 1. In the very important term of beta function, substitution term is very important because of we have, suppose this term is 2. Therefore, we see here sign in the this properties belongs to trigonometrical term. Therefore, we choose the substitution term in the form of trigonometrical term. Otherwise, in the other format, so as per the given properties, we choose the substitution term. Similarly, the second property of beta function, to prove that beta mn equal to integration 0 to infinity x to the power m minus 1 1 plus x to the power m plus 1. Here this property is belongs to in the format of x term. So now we choose the substitution in the x term format. So this is the, we see here in the property x to the power m minus 1 this upon 1 plus x to the power m plus n. We see in the formula of beta function beta mn equal to integration 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 1 minus x to the power m minus 1. We have this term belongs to this, but difference here n and here n. Now, but in the denominator term is 1 plus x. So now, in the format of property, here 1 plus x upon 1. This. So, on putting x equal to, this is the substitution. 1 upon 1 plus, we cannot take the 1 plus 1 x because of this term is belongs to in the format of x variable. So we choose the substitution in the other variable. Okay. So here this question is belongs to in the form of x variable. So we choose the substitution in other variable. X is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y. This x is replaced in the other variable y. So now on differentiation with respect to y, so dx upon dy, this term in the form of numerator, so this is the power of 1 plus y to power minus 1. This is the differentiation minus 1 upon 1 plus y square. So dx is equal to on cross multiplication minus 1 upon 1 plus y का whole square dy. This substitution in the given term, we select the formula beta mn equal to this term. Why? We have beta mn equal to beta mn. Beta mn equal to beta mn. So beta mn equal to is integration 0 to 1 x to the power n minus 1 and 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 here. And beta mn equal to इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 x की पावर n minus 1. So there are the two properties of beta function. First is this and second is this. Both are same. Only difference between the two property in the two property x to the power n minus 1 and x to the power n minus 1. Suppose we have proved this property, then x to the power n minus 1, then we select the formula is this. मतलब हम इस फार्मूले को सेलेक्ट करेंगे. Is that clear? So this is the substitution limit 0 to 1, put 0 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y. So 0 is equal to 1 upon 1 plus y. That means 1 plus y equal to 1 upon 0. This is 1 plus y equal to infinity. So infinity minus 1 or infinity plus 1, this is the infinity. So this is infinity and substitute 1, this is the 1, so this is the 1, this is the 0, this 0. And x की value of x 1 upon 1 plus y n minus 1, 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus y n minus 1 into dx is replaced by this. Now minus sign, minus is infinity to this, n minus 1 की power, this is the n minus 1 power, and solve this number 1 minus this, LCM is 1 plus y, so 1 plus y minus 1, this 1 से 1 cancel, and 1 upon 1 plus y square, this minus is replaced this here, this term, and now we have seen the property of definite integral in last video lecture. A to b minus b to a. Suppose this limit a to b, interchange the limit, we take the minus sign. Okay, so this is the minus sign, so then plus 0 to infinity this and this and this. In the denominator 1 plus y की power this, 1 plus y की power this, 1 plus. Then the base of all three terms are same. Therefore, the sum of the power. So n minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 2. This minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 is cancelled by plus 2. This term. So this is the proof of this property. In the same format, property third is to prove that the property second is this and property third is this. So both are same, only single place is the difference between the two properties. This is the m minus 1 and this is the n minus 1. Then we select the formula. Here this formula is this, and for this property is formula beta mn equal to 0 to 1 x की power m minus 1, 1 minus x की power n minus 1. Remembering here the important thing over here, property of definite integral. So this is the three property of beta function, and the other property we will see in the next video lecture. Thank you.